So I started out at Erie as an intern in 2022 and did the summer internship. Thought it was really interesting, thought it was really fun. What I like about being a liability adjuster is that it requires a lot of investigation, and then it's just, being able to talk to people. I like to talk to people, I like to help people. I just like to do what I can to be productive, and I thought, being a liability adjuster was one of those things where I could excel at. During our internship, basically, we did a lot of on-the-job training, basically. So I was learning from a lot of the liability adjusters. I was learning from a lot of the liability specialists, and we were basically learning like what's a part of the job, like what do you have to do during the job. A liability adjuster basically takes liability claims, which are claims that are made after like accidents and bad things that might happen in someone's life. And basically what they do is they investigate that, and then they see who is at fault for this claim. Is our insured at fault, or is the claimant at fault? Is the other party at fault? And after we've made that decision, if we determine we're at fault, we determine how we're gonna pay back the person that wasn't at fault based on the fault of our insured. So no, you definitely don't need to be an expert in insurance to do insurance. Really, we have people from all sorts of backgrounds. You have people that were nurses, teachers, attorneys, even hairdressers even. So yeah, anybody from any background can really get started in insurance as long as you have the skill set. There's a lot of on-the-job training. I know for a liability adjuster, we get to shadow a lot of the other adjusters and a lot of the specialists and see what they do, see how to make calls, how to speak to attorneys, how to determine liability, determine what statutes we need to follow in order to do our job and finish the claims. Everyone here is really nice. Everyone here is really friendly. They're always willing to help. And no one's really standoffish, and everyone's always willing to kind of help out and help you do your job. I think you should definitely consider a career in insurance because there's a lot of jobs in insurance for people of all kinds of different backgrounds and skill sets. There's something here for everybody.